Namaste all of you. Welcome to your Swadhyaya class. Let's begin with a prayer. Om Samudravasane Devi Parvatasthana Mandali Natyam Karishye Bhudevi Padasparsham Kshamaswame Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavangmayam Aharyam Chandrataradi Tam Numas Satvikam Shivam Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnum, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. Let's do Namaskaram. Kitta Takka Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhunnu Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhunnu Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhunnu Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhunnu Takkitta Tam Takkitta Tam Takkitta Tam. So we'll start with a small combination of adavus. Let's begin with this adavu. Ta, Dhi, Ta, both to the right and left side. I'll just show you once. So Aramandi, Kitta Takka Dhi Dhi, Tei, Dhi, Dhi, Tei. First one starting with the right hand and right feet. Second one starting with the left hand and left feet. Just try that. Kitta, Takka, Dhi, Dhi, Tei. So when you're doing that, open from Malapadma to Katakamukha. There is a small movement here. This circular movement as if you're closing it down. Ta, Ta, Dhi, Dhi from the hand to the center. So Ta, Dhi, Ta. And when you're jumping, you should know that you should not get up like this. You have to go down, control your stomach, hold it, find your center, and then go down. Ta, Dhi, Ta. So this should not be Ta, Dhi, Ta. You should not do this spring action going up and down. Control yourself, hold yourself and try to sit down. Hand movement I already told you. Circular here. Ta. So Ta. Then from the hand to the center. Dhi, Ta. Try to hold yourself down and more grounded. Just try these two. Kitta. Takka, Ta, Dhi, Ta, Karvei, Ta, Dhi, Ta. So this is the beginning of the combination. After that, we'll do Egri Tattadavu, Dhi, Tei, Ta, Ha. Here also, you should know that this hand should be parallel to the feet. It should not go too low and close like this or nor this. It should be here and you should stretch towards your hasta. So if this is your Katakamukha, take this as your point and try to draw a line towards that. So as if you're being pulled to that diagonal. Once more we'll try. So the combination goes Ta, Dhi, Ta, Ta, Dhi, Ta, Dhi, Ta, Dhi, Ta. So we did Dhi, Ta, Dhi, Ta. Now the later two Egri Tattadavu that you do on top is this hasta, Dhi, Ta, Dhi, Ta, where you're going from Katakamukha to Alapadma, where your body is going from center towards the hasta. So the first two we did center to the hasta. Here we are doing same thing, center to the hasta, but we are looking at the hasta first, then center. That's the only difference. But the footwork we will not do Egri Tattadavu. We will do Pakkadavu's footwork here. So it will be Dhi, Dhi, Tei, Karvei, Dhi, Dhi, Tei. I will repeat. So first two was Egri Tattadavu, Dhi, Ta, Dhi, Ta, then Dhi, Dhi, Tei. From the hand to the center, then opposite side, Dhi, dhi, tei. So the entire set is ta, dhi, ta, karve, ta, dhi, ta, ఎగిరి తట్టడవు తా, ధి, తా, ధిత్, ధిత్, తై పక్కడవు ధి, ధి, తై. Hope it is clear. I will show it to you once again. So when you are practicing, try to understand the nuances and then go ahead. It's not about getting the adavu, doing it, hand leg movements. It's about doing it right. So it will take time. So don't rush it. It's not about getting it quick and then forward it and go to the next one. No, hold yourself. Try to sit in nice Ramandi. See if your hastas are in the right positions. See if you are moving nicely. See if your balance is going here and there, or are you being grounded. Work on all these things. So the entire set, we will do it once again. Dhi, dhi, tei, dhi, dhi, tei, ఎగిరితట్టు ధి, తా, ధి, తా, ధి, ధి, తై, ధి, ధి, తై. Let's try it once. Sit down, all of you. Kit, ta, kit, ta, tak, ka, dhi, dhi, tei, dhi, dhi, tei, dhi, ఎగిరితట్టు తా, ధి, తా, ధి, ధి, tei, dhi, dhi, tei. Okay, so if you look at this, I would say the qualities of the adavu, egritattu is more sharper. So it is dhi, ta. So it gives a little better impact. It gives you a better impact if you are sitting down and taking your hand out sharp rather than dhi, ta. That is also nice sometimes, but for now let's try it here and sharper movements. And when you're taking this, it's contrast to what you just did. This is more lighter, this is more lighter, more free. So this is the, take your time there, slowly open it and look at the center rather than ta. Take the entire 3 counts, the, tei, and hold it slowly, slowly and very relaxed and soft. Once more, the entire thing, and we'll try it to the left side also. Kitta, takka, dhi, dhi, tei, dhi, focus in the center, tei at one point all the time, dhi, ta, bend nicely and sharper, ta, soft, dhi, tei, hold, dhi, dhi, tei, left side, ta, dhi, ta, focus in the center, one point, ta, dhi, same thing, ta, dhi, 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 tei, dhi, dhi, tei. Once again, same speed. Dhi, dhi, don't stop. Ta, hold. Ta, dhi, ta, sharper, focus. Dhi, ta, dhi, ta, dhi, dhi, tei, hold, nice opening, dhi, dhi, tei, ta, left, dhi, tei, hold, dhi, dhi, tei. sharper. Dhi, ta, dhi, dhi, tei, dhi, dhi, tei, kitta, takka, tam. Second speed only if you have practiced the first speed with the corrections. Ramandi, kitta, takka, ta, dhi, ta, ta, dhi, ta, dhit, ta, dhit, ta, dhi, dhi, tei, dhi, dhi, tei, ta, dhi, ta, hold, ta, dhi, center focus, dhit, ta, dhit, ta, dhi, dhi, tei, dhi, dhi, tei, ta, dhi, ta, ta, dhi, ta, dhi, ta, dhi, ta, dhi, dhi, tei, dhi, dhi, tei, ta, dhi, ta, hold, ta, dhi, ta, hold, dhi, ta, dhi, ta, dhi, dhi, tei, dhi, dhi, tei, kitta, takka, tam. Make sure your kudita is not doing this. You have to be grounded. You have to hold your stomach, tuck it in, and then lower. Because when we go on our toes, we tend to get up. To compensate for that, we have to go lower so that you maintain your Aramandi. If you are comfortable, go to the third speed, or if not, practice the first and second speed till you get it properly, then come to the third speed. Arabandi, third speed. Kitta, kitta, takka, tadhitta, tadhitta, ditta, ditta, didditte, didditte, 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 tadhittam, tadhittam, ditta, ditta, didditte, diddikkitataka, dhita, tadhita, ditta, ditta, didditte, didditte, ta, ditta, ta, ditta, 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 di, ditte, diddi, kitta, takka, ta, di, ta, hold, ta, di, ta, control, di, ta, di, ta, di, di, te, di, di, te, kitta, takka, tam, and relax. We will go to the next adavu, what you had learned in the previous class, Vishru adavu. We will just see it once how it is done, then we will get to the corrections. Sit. Aramandi, kitta, takka, ta, tei, tei, tam, dhi, tei, tei, tam, ta, tei, tei, tam, dhi, tei, tei, tam, kitta, takka, tam. Relax. So, see, did you watch it, observe it properly? So, first one is in Aramandi and you are stamping, you can. First one is in Aramandi and you are doing Tattadavu, exact same thing without shifting your weight, control it in the center and the hand will go forward. But it does not stop there, even though it's ta, it's a continuous movement. So, ta, so let it continuously move without a full stop there, slowly, not much, just that, to just suggest that small movement. Once more, kitta, takka, ta, Tei. Second position. First one was closer. Second one, we'll keep it in that chauka position. Again centered, just like Aramandi. So this is not a shift. There is no, don't go on your heels and shift your weight. So from Aramandi position, the next one is also in that same centered, controlled movement. Try once again, both. So this, at this point, take the side as your reference. So your hands should reach there and not stop. It should slowly start, continuously move. Kitta, takka, ta, tei, tei. Now this position. So this is a full 180-degree turn. This is a full turn, but your legs, try to hold it and lock it in that one place and try to stamp at the same place. So while you are stamping, the hand should come back to the center. We'll try this once again. Kitta, takka, ta, tei, tei, tam, di, tei, tei, tam, ta, tei, tei, tam, di, tei. Remember the swastikam position, tam. Same footwork but with a different hand movement. Here this time instead of Kataka Mukala Padma, we will do Dola Hasta facing downwards. So first one you will hit here, ta. Second one it will go up, tei. So it's a full, you're drawing a big arch there. Ta, tei, and bend your body. So this is not, your body is not straight. There is a small bend here with your torso, tei. But you should remember this shoulder should not come up like this. You should not over bend also. Always there is that measurement. So bend from your torso, from this point and not here, not this. So shoulders should still be straight and body bend from the waist. Try that. Just observe it once. So first one, hand is here. Second one, it goes up, dola. First one, hand is here. Second one, it goes up, full circle. So you will feel this stretch here. You are trying to elongate your body, then it will go to the side and hold there. Stomach, tuck it in. Shoulder should not be lifted. Relax it. And then same way, bring it back. Don't keep your dola too loose also. You should always create that friction and create that pull and push effect with your body. So there is a, even though your hands can go like this, there should be that resistance so that it looks like you're creating something, drawing something. Try it once. Kitta, takka, ta, tei, tei, tam, di, tei, tei, tam. Left, ta, tei, tei, tam, di, tei, tei, tam. So did you observe how he went from right side to the left side? So you had finished here, ta, tei, tei, ta, dhit, tei, tei, ta. You would have finished here. Now you are keeping the same leg which was in Aramandi outside again. So from this point, ta. From this swastikam, take the left leg again and ta, and continue that. Same thing when you're coming back to the center again, your right leg will be here and you have to go to the right side again. So this will come here. From this swastikam point, you have to hit it again. So observe it once more in the same speed. Kitta, takka, ta, tei, tei, tam, di, tei, tei, tam, ta, tei, tei, tam, di, tei, tei, tam, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, te, tam, left, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, te, takata, dikita, takata. Just like what I said for the previous adavu, when you are doing this, we are trying to go to the second speed now. So while you are going to the second speed, make sure you have understood the movement, you have understood the corrections very importantly. It's not just about moving your hand right and left, that's very easy, but try to understand the corrections, the movement, the amount of force that you have to give, all that, then proceed to the second speed. You can watch it once, then try it. Kitta, second speed. Kitta, takka, ta, te, te, ta, di, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, te, kitta, takka. Try it once. Aramandi. Kitta, takka, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, te, tam, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, one more time, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, bend from your waist, ta, te, te, tam, di, te, te, kitta, takka, tam. So practice these two adavus and the combination. We will see those in class. Let us go ahead a little bit with the Alaripu also.
The next part is actually for Sthira, but still I want all of you to attend this section. Here in this particular section where Aditya sir is teaching Tishra Jati Alaripu, the teaching pace might be slow, but I want all of you to learn the Alaripus along with Sthira students.
You have completed the neck movement where tat, te, tat, tam, kitataka, dhit, te, yum, tat, tam, kitataka, dhalangu, takata, dhikitato. That's all you have done. We've just done the neck movement, I think. So this entire section you have to do holding Natyarambha Hasta. So here your body is again not fully stretched and relaxed like that. It's a bit more alert. So you have to push your body, upper body a little forward, not so much. So from here just a little, so that it is very alert, your Samapadam. It's not relaxed like this. It's a little alert because most of the position, most of the sthana that we use in Alaripu is Samapadam, the first beginning half of it. So be more alert and extend your arms nicely, make it lengthier, longer, and stand. Just watch it once. Tishra ekam. Dhalangu takata dhikita tom ta, te, hi ta, tam, kita taka dhi, te, hi tat, tam, kita taka dhalangu takata dhinginnato. So we have done till there. Hope you have practiced it and understood the movement with the talam. So after you finish dhalangu takata dhikitatum, you have to lift your leg and keep your right leg forward. So while lifting it, it's not just a lift, there is that, if you remember, we have practiced walking like this. Same thing, when you are lifting your feet, you have to bend your knee and place it. So very strong movement, it's not very light, you have to create that energy there, ta. So go down and put your leg forward. So while doing that, the hand will come up as Anjali. So, from this Samapadam, Tam. From this, it will go up as Anjali, not here. You have to lift it, extend from this point, elongate yourself and Tam, and look up, not like this. Your chin should not be seen. So, this you just have to look up with your chin a little bit up higher, not this though. So, it will give an illusion of you are looking at the hasta. So, Tam, very sharp and forceful, Tam. Tam. You can start from looking at the Natyarambha to the Anjali, not the hasta, a little ahead. Just watch it once, just the Tam. Kitta, takka, Tam. So, when you are doing the Tam, you have to hold it there for one carve. You just have to be there, Tam, 2, Tam. From there, our entire body will bend forward, Anjali pointing towards the center, but without hunching your back. This has to be straight, bend from your waist. From there, completely lower, holding your stomach tight and Anjali facing forward. And this, you will feel the pull here on your calf muscles if you are bending it nicely. Same as that. So, we are doing Tam, Di, Tam. So, next one, you have to come into Samapadam, but get our hands closer. So, from this point, it's just coming to Samapadam with a little slight bend here and Anjali in the center. And the third count, we are coming back to opening out our arms. Try it once more. Kitta, takka, Tam, Dit, Tam. Once more. Kitta, takka, Tam, Dit, Tam. Understood, I hope. We will try it once more. So, our leg is going up like this, it is remaining there, body is bending. Next one, we are coming to Anjali and then opening out. Try it once more. Kitta, takka, Tam, Dit, Tam. Hope that is clear. Let us try it once again from the very beginning with the neck movement. You can watch it once and try it. Dhalang gutakata dhinginna tom ta tei tei hi ta tam kittataka dhi tei tei hi tagada tam kittataka dhalang gutakata dhinginna tom tam dit tam. Hope you got it. Try it once more by yourself. Dhalang gutakata dhinginna tom ta tei tei hi tatta tam kittataka dhi tei tei hi tagada tam dharikita dhalang gutakata dhinginna tom tam dhi tam.
Let us now continue with our Shivapadam. I am going to sing and we will do until we have done the Jati part. Natanam aadinar vegunagari gamagame kanaka sabhail anandaya natanam aadinar vegunagari magame kanaka sabhail namdanayatanam aadinar vegunagariga magame kanaka sabhail namdanayatanam aadinar ಆಡಿನಾನ್ വെഗുനാഗരി ഗമാഗമേ കനക സഭയിൽ ആനന്ദയനടനം ആടിനാൻ വെഗുനാഗരി ഗമാഗമേ കനക സഭയിൽ ആനന്ദയനടനം ആടിനാൻ ಢಳಂಗುತಕ ಧಿಕುತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಣಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಝಣುಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡದೊಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡದೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಣಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಝಣುಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡದೊಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡದೊಂ. Till here we have done. Few suggestions I wanted to give to enhance, and also this is a general suggestion which will be helpful for your other compositions also. It's a common thing where we have very little hand movements, we lose this thai bhavam, and also we wonder what to do here, why it is so slow. Yes, so especially here vegunagari gamagame, it is very slow. Vegunagari gamagame, that's all you have. So that's enough, but you have to sustain it and not go rush to the next action, which is very important. Yes, hand movements are important, but your abhinaya should not depend on usage of these hand and leg movements only. Okay, it should be individualistic, it should be free of natya dharmi also. So the sthai bhavam is always free of natya dharmi, the hand movements, hand, leg, or the anga, upanga, whatever we have taught you. Abhinaya, face, is free of that. If you just sit and you want to do this is how you can practice, where you can just sit down and listen to the music and dance just with your face. Natanam, as if you are going round. Aadinar vegunagari gamagame kanaka sabhai. You might be correct or wrong, that is different, but you have to develop a quality where you sustain the abhinaya for longer duration, for the entire composition actually. Alright, let us go ahead with the jati part now. Next one, we are going for chaturashra jati, simple. Tatei tetam, dittei tetam. You all know what Vishruadavu is. So let us learn the next choreography. Before that, I want all of you to understand the calculation here. It is takka dhimmi, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu. One times we are doing chaturashram slow. Takka dhimmi, two times fast. Takka dhimmi, takka jhannu, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu. Is it clear? Takka dhimmi, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu. Basically first speed and third speed. Kitta, say it with me. Takka dhimmi, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu. Takka dhimmi, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu. This comes two times. After that we have takita, 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 takita. Same like chaturashram we are doing with tishram. I'll repeat again, try to say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Takka dhimmi, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu, ta. More confidently. Dhimmi, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu, takka dhimmi, takka jhannu, ta. Kita, takita, takita, ta. Kita, takita, takita. Tishra jati, first speed and second speed, not first and third speed. You are doing ta, kita, takita, takita, not takita, 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 takita. All right. Chaturashra jati first speed and third speed two times. Tishra jati first speed and second speed two times. After that we have one khanda jati, takka, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita. Takka, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita. that is second speed of Khanda Jati once, then Khanda Jati third speed 2 times. I will repeat the entire thing, all of you can write down. So, how do you write down this section? For each person it might be different. Whatever you understand, you can write down 4 and write down into the bracket first speed or second speed. Usually what I make 4, if it is big one it is first speed, if it is smaller it is 4, and it is smallest it is third speed, and it works for me. You can think about your own version of writing these speeds and numbers. It is takka dhimmi, that is 4, then you have 4 4 4 4, that is takka dhimmi takka dhimmi takka jhannu takka dhimmi takka jhannu into 2, this is 2 times. Then takita takita takita, that is 3 in first speed once, second speed 2 times, like this 2 times again into 2, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 times. Then last one is takka takita, second speed once, 5 in second speed, then 5 5 for me, that is double speed, takka takita takka takita. Now let us try to say this calculation in Talam. Kitta takka takka dhimmi takka dhimmi takka jhannu takka dhimmi takka jhannu. Second one, takka dhimmi takka dhimmi takka jhannu takka dhimmi takka jhannu. Next, takita 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 takita. Avartanam ends here. The next one, takka takita taka takita taka takita, one laghu will over, then you are left with one more laghu and 2 dhrutams. We will come to that later. Let us now choreograph for this particular calculation. Let us see the new choreography of this Jati part now. We are going to go towards our right side with Simha Mukha in your left hand and right hand Shikhara, as if Lord Shiva is sitting on Nandi, his Vahana. So, there is beautiful body movement here. Vishradavu tatai tetam ta tai tai ta. So, that semicircle try to bring in here. So, it is going choreographically ta tai tai tam, come back in double speed, takadhimi taka jhano, come back in second speed only, then taiha taihi kuditadavu. So, it will be takadhimi taka dhimmi taka jhannu taiha taihi, same thing left side, dhimmi taka dhimmi taka jhannu taiha taihi. I will show you once, then you can try. Kitta takka takka dhimmi taka jhannu taiha taihi. Here I looked at my right shoulder to look forward, taiha taihi. Same thing left side, takka dhimmi taka jhannu taiha taihi. Is that clear? Try once. 1 2 3 4. Takka dhimmi taka jhannu taiha taihi. Takka dhimmi taka jhannu taiha taihi. After this, your hand is here. Open the hand like this, turning towards your right side. Wider, not here. It might give the feel of Muruga, Rama. You are not showing bow and arrow, just Lord Shiva. Kitta takka ta kitta. Okay, ta kitta takita takita. With the turn, you can use takita takita as in to turn the leg. Takita takita takita. You can end anywhere. From here, you have to open yourself. Kita takita takita. Let us learn only till here. Let us go very slow, because I understand you are learning Abhinaya composition also along with this. So, simultaneously I want you to give more and more time to Abhinaya composition also. Nritta, you will learn it. It is very easy. You just need to develop your stamina and you will do it. But Abhinaya is very difficult. Okay? Let us spend more time on both this composition. I will say it once, all of you can practice from beginning of Jati. Try. ಧಳ್ಳಂಗು ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಧನಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಝಣುಕಿಟ ದಿಕ್ಕ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಮೋರ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ದ ತಕ್ಕ ಝಣುಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತೈ ದಿದಿ ತೈ ತೈ ದಿದಿ ತೈ ತಾ ತೈ ತೈ ತಾಂ ತಾ ತೈ ತೈ ತಾಂ ತೈ ಹಾ ತೈ ಹಿ ತಾ ತೈ ತೈ ತಾಂ ತಾ ತೈ ತೈ ತಾಂ ತೈ ಹಾ ತೈ ಹಿ ತಾ ಅಕಿ ಟ ರಕ್ಕಿಟ ರಕ್ಕಿಟ ರ ಅಕಿ ಟ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಲೇಟರ್. Okay? Practice all of you. We'll see you in live classes.
నమస్కారం. ఓం విష్ణుశక్తి సముత్పన్నే సర్వవర్ణమహీతలే అనేకరత్న సంపన్నే భూమిదేవి నమోస్తుతే. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. కిట్ట తక్క तक्क धिम्मे तक्क झुन्नु तक्क धिम्मे तक्क झुन्नु तक्क धिम्मे तक्क झुन्नु तक्क धिम्मे तक्क झुन्नु तरिगिटतकतां तरिगिटतकतां तरिगिटतकतां.